Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. Sorry, I was so obsessed with that color on my right hand, I just kind of had to show it off for you guys. All the colors and everything I use on my right hand is always linked on my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram linked in case you guys want to go check that out if you're not already following me there. So today we are going to do, this is Nail Dips, and these are two of the colors from the Pearls of Wisdom collection, which are just gorgeous flakies. I mean, I'm obsessed. This one is like a white color, and the other one is a purple. I will leave that, the picture of the entire collection right here. They are all so beautiful. There's 2 or 3, I can't remember at this time, that are thermals. So yeah, that collection is amazing. So I am doing my middle finger and my pointer finger with the white flaky dip, and then I will go in and do my pinky, my ring, and my thumb in the purple. And I do 2 layers of both colors, like usual, but I don't show it. I don't leave it on camera. I do believe I use show me clear encapsulating on camera. Honestly, I don't remember. I edited this video a couple days ago, so I'm a little off track, but I'm gonna let you guys watch me dip, and then we're gonna get into something I haven't actually done on this channel, and I think I've only done it once since I started doing nails, and that is some layered stamping. I will walk you through that when I get to that point, but I did a pretty simple design, so it should be pretty easy to follow. So I will be back. Oh, I did want to mention really quick that I am an ambassador for Nail Dips. I do have a code, which is Jill15. It will be linked, and the website will be also linked in the description box. But I did get both of these dips, as part of my ambassador package. So I did not pay for them, and I just wanted to be transparent. My code is a discount for you guys. I don't get anything off of that. It is just for you guys. So just wanted to make sure that you guys knew this, and yeah, I will be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it.
So we are all done with the dipping part. We activated, we filed, buffed, all that off camera, and then Now we are going to get into the stamping. So I am going to put on this liquid latex. I love this stuff, especially because it's such a pretty color, but it doesn't clump up. I mean, every once in a while I'll get a little bit of a clump around the lip of the jar or the bottle, but not very often. Like, it's happened twice, and this stuff is amazing. So, and it's easy to get off, which I really like. So well, that's a bonus. Okay, so once I get this on, and I don't think I show my other finger just because it's the same thing, and you know, you guys only need to see it so many times before you kind of get the idea. So I have it on both fingers. I'm going to stamp. I am using the Maniology sticky base coat today, just because this is it's not a full cover design, so I just thought it would be faster and easier than waiting for the stuck to dry, but stuck is still my favorite. So we are going to go in with this first image, and this is like the full image, and we are using a dark purple. It is called Ultraviolet from Maniology, and it's so pretty. So we are stamping that first image down, and then we will go in with a softer, more lilac-y purple and lay that image down. And I tried really hard to make sure that I was showing you guys this. As you can see, I keep adjusting my camera so you guys can see, or adjusting my finger. And then we're going to go in with the final image, which is so pretty. At first I used a lighter color and it just didn't show up, so I had to go back in with this. It's like a rose gold, and it's so pretty. So I'm going to let you guys watch me do my other finger real quick, and then I will add my smudge-free top coat, let that dry for 5 minutes, and then I will clear cap these, and then we'll be almost done. So I will be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live.
Oh, and we made it to the end. Well, I hope you made it to the end. So I just activated, I waited 2 minutes, and then I took a lint-free wipe with a little bit of swipe solution from Young Nails, and I just got any excess activator off, and now I'm going in with my first coat of top coat. This is Amberly's Nail Corner or Three Broke Girls, whichever you know it as. It won't be linked because she only has a limited supply of it. She does it as a pre-sale, and then she has to wait to reorder it. So hopefully that will change in the future because this stuff is amazing. And for me, I have dip flu, and this somehow, even though it is a regular odor, and I'm telling you it is a odor, there is an odor, a strong odor. I do stuff my nose with cotton most of the time. Sometimes I forget, but either way, I have not gotten dip flu from this once. I have no idea how that's even possible, but it is. So I am doing my second coat now, and I did leave this in real time, so just so you guys can, you know, see top coat. Like I do take my time on the second coat. It's not near as fast as the first coat. And I have only hardened my brush once, and that was because I'm so used to the odorless that when I go in on my first coat, sometimes I get a little too many strokes, and that works fine for odorless. I've never contaminated it, but it does not work fine for the regular liquids. You will contaminate your brush, but threw it in a brush saver and it was fine. So as soon as I am done with this, I do go wash my hands. I always wash my hands after I'm done top coating before I do cuticle oil. That way, if there's any chemicals on my nails, which there's no way there's not, that way I don't get an allergy to regular dip liquids. Since I have one to gel, that would be horrible. So just like to minimize any kind of chance of, you know, more hand allergies. That's the last thing I want. So I'm going to do my cuticle salve. I'm going to do my cuticle oil, and then there will be pictures at the end so you guys can see how pretty this turned out up close and personal. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching and the support. If you've already subscribed, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate you. If you have not yet, it would be amazing if you did. There's no obligation. You can change your mind later. I would rather you didn't. And it would mean the world to me. I love the support, and I thank you guys for watching, and have a beautiful day. I will see you in the next one.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control, and the steps you take them.